In this video, I'm going to explain why your Verizon router is blinking blue and how to fix it so your internet works normally again. When your Verizon router blinks blue, it usually means it's in the process of pairing with another device, such as a Verizon extender. It can also happen if it's trying to establish a stable connection to the network but hasn't completed the process. First, check if you recently moved the router, added a new extender, or changed any cables. If yes, wait for about 2 minutes to see if the light turns solid white, which means it's connected. If it keeps blinking blue, restart the router, unplug it from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to fully reboot. Next, check all cables. Make sure the Ethernet cable from your modem or ONT is firmly plugged into the router's WAN port. Loose or damaged cables can prevent it from connecting, causing the blinking blue light. If you're using a Verizon extender, make sure it's within range of the main router. Too much distance or thick walls can interrupt the pairing process. Move it closer and try again. For FiOS setups, check your ONT box to make sure it's powered on and not showing any error lights. If there's an issue there, the router won't get a proper signal. If none of these steps work, press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 10 seconds. This will restore factory settings, so you'll need to set up your network again in the My Verizon app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.